the work that we do are with clients in the US. Uh, in terms of and they are both enterprises as well as what I would call the ISVs, which are essentially the software as a service segment that we target. Uh, when you talk about and they cater to very different markets. If you see, right, I mean, the ISVs are very tech ready, they're nerdy, they are on the DevOps bandwagon, and the biggest challenge for them is how to get products out to the market much faster. Their biggest challenge is how to make sure that that they don't lose, because anything that they do bad, and this is where that risk, that association of risk comes in, right? That anything that they release can potentially break or make or break a lot of customer experiences. So that focus on ensuring a complete customer experience, and when I mean a customer experience, it's really about the end-to-end journey that a customer goes through on their platform, right from signing up, right from subscribing, right from being able to use the products that they have, and then be able to cater to their customers if it's a B2B kind of a enterprise, right, or even B2C. So technically, customer experience stands at the very core of everything that they look at, and this again has to be done repeatedly. That means, Sandeep, you mentioned that not many of your clients are in that DevOps journey, but a lot of the ISVs that we see are already on that DevOps journey, and then for them the challenge really is about A, customer experience, B, time to market, in which case how do I get products and features out very quickly before their competition does, and thirdly, it's really about and in that time to market journey comes really automation, and where I work in is that aspect of test automation, which allows you to possibly ensure. I mean, it's I wouldn't say that it's a great contributor to de-risking your application, in the sense it allows you coverage, it allows you a sense of it gives you a sense of confidence about the goodness of a release, right? And that's what's important when you are making that release decision. Hey, can I take my product out to market? Can I ship it out? If so, how confident am I that it will not break? And what is that level of confidence that I have, right? That is the assurance that they want.